Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PDF Brainrot. PDF Brainrot is an innovative AI-powered tool that transforms your static PDF documents into dynamic, engaging videos. It works by taking the text from your PDF and narrating it with an automated voice, while simultaneously displaying visually stimulating backgrounds, often popular gameplay footage like Subway Surfers or Minecraft Parker, or even calming ASMR clips. This unique combination is designed to make information more digestible and entertaining, significantly boosting engagement and retention, especially for students and content creators. To begin, you'll need to choose an AI-powered platform that specializes in converting PDFs into these engaging videos. Several excellent options are available, such as Coconut AI, PDF to Brainrot, and Revid AI, each with its own set of features and benefits. When making your selection, consider aspects like any free usage limits, the extent of customization options for visuals and audio, and the various output formats supported. Some tools might offer 3 free tasks per day, while others may have watermarks on their free versions. Once you've selected your preferred tool, the conversion process is straightforward. First, upload your PDF document directly to the platform. Next, you'll choose a video style. Many platforms offer trending options like Subway Surfers gameplay, Minecraft Parker, or various ASMR visuals. You can then customize several elements, including the narration voice, background music, text animations, and the overall pacing of the video. After making your selections, click Generate to create your video. Then review and make any final edits before downloading it to your device. To maximize the impact of your PDF Brainrot videos, consider these tips. For optimal results, aim for concise PDFs, ideally between 1 and 10 pages, as this helps create focused and engaging video content. Carefully select background visuals and audio that truly complement your material and resonate with your target audience. Don't shy away from utilizing the customization features to add a unique, personal touch, which significantly enhances viewer engagement. Finally, share your compelling videos across social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram to reach a broader audience and make your content go viral.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.